Hi, my name is Paige Mitchell. I'm the director of the Writing Center here at the University of Maine. You're about to see some highlights from an analytical writing tutorial.
So I'm working on this essay for my Stephen King class. So I have to use at least 2 of the fictional works that we've read so far.
So what was the prompt again? I got use a minimum of 2 fictional works to argue how the reader can
Pretty much see King through his fiction.
Before we do anything, is there anything you are concerned about in particular that I can look for?
I don't really like it as is. I don't really
That's
like
okay.
it.
You don't have to like every single piece that you write.
But I got kind of stuck.
Okay.
So I think I just need to kind of like talk through what I'm thinking, because by myself I can't really take it from my brain and like put it into words, you know?
Right. Let's look into the content that you have after the introduction. I just want to make sure that everything relates back to
Yeah.
what your controlling purpose is.
Okay.
So that might clarify some things if we're having an issue with like a focus.
Okay.
Because if there's a focus, then we won't have a problem with that. It may be something else that we need to look into.
Do you want me to read it? I
Yes.
think it would be more beneficial.
I would love if you read it out loud, or I can read it out loud, whatever makes you most comfortable.
Okay. I wanted to bring that in somewhere, but I don't think it really fits with.
Do you think Annie's like representative of something? Kind of like.
I think she is supposed to be like the embodiment of King's addiction. I don't know.
No, that's a great thought.
That's where I stopped because I got stuck.
Okay.
And I felt like I don't feel like that part is done, but I felt finished with it.
Okay.
I just need like one line that brings it back to my controlling purpose.
Right.
You know?
So let's go back to your controlling purpose.
Okay.
Do you think writing Misery was his way of finding the joy again in writing? By like writing down all of the trauma and stuff that happened? You know what I mean? I'll stop talking till you're done. Because I have more. So like, if that's the case, then you could say that both him and Paul are finding means to move on through writing. Would you think about putting the quote in there?
That might be more effective to have it in the beginning.
Either there or in the conclusion is where I would put it.
That's where I was thinking.
Yeah.
This is kind of like repetitive, but I think it needs to be said more explicitly.
Yep. I would agree.
By writing through the eyes of someone else.
That sounds great.
Boom! Look at that.
That sounds great. I mean, your opening is really well articulated, and I think it would just round it out to have that, you know.
Are you sure? Because I don't feel like it is.
Okay, well, what do you take issue with it in particular? Or do you know?
I feel like it, to me, it seems too, like, scatterbrained. It feels all over the place. It's fine, but I think
it sounded great either way.
Okay.
I think you're being hard on yourself. So, how do you feel? Do you feel any better about it at all?
I feel a lot better. I think I definitely have a long way to go, like explicitly putting stuff in there to bring back to the controlling purpose.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Just to like remind the reader.
Yeah, because everything you're writing here is purposeful.
Yeah, I feel a lot better. Thank you.
Yeah, and you should definitely come back if you feel like you need to flesh out some more ideas. So yeah, we have to go back in and we have to do a client report form. And that's going to be just a brief description of the tutorial. We can send it over to any administrator or a professor that you need it sent over to on there. So you'll get an email from me about what we worked on. And if there's anything that you feel like didn't get touched upon, you can make another appointment or whatever.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. We work with all writers at any stage in the writing process on any writing project. If you are interested in making an appointment, please visit us at 402 Neville Hall or follow the links in the description of this video.